part of the, we're going to finish installing all of the bracing that comes with these Fords. So there's a couple of braces there that go from the frame up to the cross member, the original cross member there. This is all stuff that they did on these Fords to try to keep you know, a good rigid frame going there. It's a modified style of frame there. So this cross member won't fit. The transmission's in the way. So Mark's going to measure there and see exactly what kind of clearance he's lacking. And he's going to, yeah, see, we're inch and a half low there. Being able to hit the original holes. So he's going to make a little extension for that bracket. All of this stuff is being done with heavy enough steel, and it's cut closely enough and fastened carefully enough so that it's all going to be plenty strong in there. So once again at the bandsaw, cutting the thing to length. One of the pieces has that angle to it, so you can get it in there perfectly. And he holds the square on there just while he tacks it, so he can make sure he gets the piece built exactly right. Exactly square and plumb. So that's a weld that shows good penetration. And with any luck, it all bolts up. Look at that.